So in this video, we're given a speed, distance, time question. So straight away, we're going to use the formula speed, distance, and time. Okay, so it's saying work out the average speed of the car. Right, so if we want the speed, we're going to divide the distance by the time. Okay then, so it tells us that the car travels a distance of 250 miles. Right, now the time on this is 4 hours. So it's 4 hours and 20 minutes. So we've got to think how we can enter this information in. So what we've actually got on the bottom there, we've got 4 hours plus now 20 minutes out of 60 is actually a third of an hour. So what we've got on the bottom there is 4 1/3. Now we can put that into, let's do it down here. So we've got 250 on the top, and we could put that into one fraction. So if we've got 4 1/3, 3 4s are 12, add the 1 is 13. So it's 13/3 for our time there. Now the best way to put this in is to use the fraction buttons on your calculator. And in the top of it, top of the fraction, you can put 250 and divide it. And in the bottom of the fraction, just go straight in with 13/3. Okay, so 13 divided by 3, and that all comes out at 57.69 miles per hour. If you'd like more support with maths, my email is on screen. You're very welcome to get in touch.